Shaggy and friends, you know. We all gotta do a part. What have I say? I dare you.
Well, I dare to make a difference, and I dare to take a stand.
Let 'em know, brothers.
Let me dare to think of someone else who's in need of a helping hand.
What if I dare to show our children what it really means to love? Could I dare to just imagine there's nothing we can rise above?
And I dare to be the person with the will to make it right. And I dare you to have a conscience, to the cause and join the fight.
But I dare you to take a moment to imagine how it feels. Take a look at someone else's pain and love for some relief.
Should I dare you to be a person with a will to make things right?
Yes, sister
And I
Master.
dare you to have a conscience, see the cause and join the fight.
Would I dare to take a moment to imagine how it feels? Take a look at someone else's pain and try to offer some relief.
Well, I dare you to make a difference, and I dare you to take a stand. Let me dare you to think of someone else in the need of a helping hand.
What if I did to show our children what it really means to love? Could I dare just to imagine there is nothing we can rise above?
Gotta express how I feel, you know the deal, the situation is real.
Full time we give a helping hand. Show some love, this will no better overstand. I dare you to try save a life. Let's make a change for once and take a stand. We still putting up resistance and fight with the help of Shaggy and Elephant.
Yo, in the circle of life, if we not unite in the light, then we going nowhere. Time to reach new heights, every man got a right. We have been chanted in the air. And we brothers and sisters through the hard time in our life and the burden that we bear. Reach out with the helping hand, take a stand, just to show you